Good morning, good day, good brilliance, and good light, illuminators and way showers. I just wanted to take a moment after my meditation here and a visit from the emissaries of the Light Collective. Just wanted to take a moment to reiterate about doing things new doing things in a new way, doing things you already love, but doing them in a new way. So today, along my beautiful morning walk, and I have to share a moment of synchronicity in that it's nearly 70 degrees here today. So I'm pretty excited about this beautiful warm day here in the Northern Hemisphere. So I had to look up again 70 degrees Fahrenheit and what it is in Celsius for those of you in the other parts of the world. And I had to laugh again with the synchronicity because it was 21.111 degrees Celsius. So how do you like that, guys? I love the 111 and the 1111 in there. And those are my numbers, 1111 and 111 and 11. So I just love that little bit of synchronicity. But what truly I wanted to reiterate here was, if you enjoy taking walks, take it in a new place. Stop at a new park. Just try it in a new area. It changes how you process things when you come back. Truly, try it. And so for me today, I love doing yoga. And so I was envisioning myself doing yoga in all these places that I've never done it before. And one of them is here in the woods. And so the energy that we collect that emanates from the plants and the soil and the grass and the air and the sun and the sky is so different than when you're doing things indoors. So if you are in a place where you can get outside and do some of the things that you already love to do, but do them outside, or do them in a new place, a new space, even if it's not outside, try a new space, a new center. Even if it's, throwing your yoga mat in the most, private place around your surroundings, your home, your area. If you can, bring a mat, bring a blanket to a park, and sit, meditate, stretch. If you're not comfortable doing yoga, just be out there and be in it, but do something a little bit different in a different place, a different way, to spark these new ideas and understandings within you. It opens up portals and synapses within you that when you return from that place, you see things in a new light because you're in a higher vibration. And then ideas come to you, solutions come to you, new ways of thinking that are so obvious. You think, how could I have not thought that before? How did that not come to me before when it's so simple and so clear and so obvious? It gives us clarity. It opens up new doors, new awareness, new creative avenues. So, bring your cup of coffee out there, sit on a tree, throw your stuff and just sit and be and do something different in a different way. Go have your lunch outside. Go grab a friend and take a walk. And you don't even have to talk. Just enjoy the scenery and the silence and the breathing. Listen to yourself breathe. That's all meditation is mindful, whole breathing. There's my coffee cup. I love just coming out here and sitting in the sun, in the shadows, and just sitting on a log and looking at all these great symbolisms and numerological symmetry and sacred geometry that's all around us, sending us information and light codes and love. It's all love. I look at this tree and these carvings that I presume is some sort of a worm at the time, but it's like another world to me. And I woke this morning from a place, another reality, where we were recording galactic light languages on old parchment paper. It was an interesting dream, and it took me to a place where I know I already exist, a place where I'm recording these symbols, these hieroglyphs, these scribes, this information, and it's filtering through in the drawings and the writings here in 3D. And I can feel it. I feel the connections. And so when I woke this morning, I was feeling that connection as well. So being more aware of our dreams and the intentions that we put forth in the morning or in the evening, actually before we go to sleep, in that I want to remember my dreams. For the dreams are truly the multidimensional realities that you actually are. And then we're brought back when we awake into this three-dimensional focus, this place of now bringing that multi-dimensional understanding to this agreement, this awareness, this place that we have agreed to reside together on in this 3D holographic reality. And so truly it's all connected. Everything is connected. All of it. And we're just now beginning to understand how the breath, just the breath, and the breath of the life around us and the exchange of this energetic breathing, this exchange of energy and how it affects us, how it awakens within us, the portals, the DNA codes, the activations, waking us up and remembering who we are, who our galactic families are, that we can talk to them anytime, all the time. The veil is an illusion. The veil is simply a belief system that we've set forth here to be able to navigate in a three-dimensional reality. So ask to remember, because there's symbols and signs for you, and information, constant information is being fed to you from all of the sources around us, all of it. And so when you spend time doing something different, you're activating and reactivating, and even more importantly, they're telling me right now, is deactivating things that don't serve you anymore. Becoming aware that that doesn't make sense to you anymore. It's not your idea. It's not your plan. It's not your vision. It's someone else's for you. And you begin to understand the sheer absurdity of it almost. The idea of, why would I, if this is what I'm here to do and this is what I'm here to focus on, why would I want to do it somebody else's way? When the point is to do it here, my way. Just like the song, Thanks Frank, we love you. Frank Sinatra, for you new generation. I did it my way. Regrets, I had a few, but too few to mention. There's no such thing as regret, because it's only experience. It's learning that if you don't want to do that, don't do it again. And giving yourself permission to say, and it's okay. It's okay that I don't want to do that anymore. It's okay. Walk through the bridge of your own subconscious. See yourself physically standing on a beam of light and walking out to greet yourself, to greet your higher self, to greet your galactic families, to greet those ancestors, what we call ancestors, the spirit guides, your spirit animals. Have a conversation with a crow in your mind's eye. Ask it questions and see what it tells you. What is its answer? It's you talking to you through these beautiful, beautiful beings that we've co-created together as messages for one another. Messages from ourselves for ourselves. Create, manifest with intention. When you manifest with intention, that means doing something different than you never did before to prove to yourself, what have you got to lose? If you don't believe it works, what have you got to lose? Prove yourself wrong then. But I guarantee you that won't be the case. I guarantee it. You will meet someone, hear something, hear a voice within you that you've never heard before. Understand a concept that was so foreign to you that now seems so simple. It opens up doors. Lights activating within you. That's why they're light codes. They're the codes within your DNA that are awakening to remind you of the powerful creator being that you are. And that everything is connected. Everything is a message. Everything, you are part of everything, and everything is a part of you. We are all beams of the one light reflecting back a lifetime of experiences for the book of life. What story are you telling? What are you inventing? What are you creating? What are you manifesting? Whatever it is that you're doing in your life, just love it. Love it and embrace it in its perfection in the now, in knowing that if it is something that you do not desire, in a moment of intention and manifestation by vision, you can change everything in the blink of an eye. Everything. Matiala kantira sodoloa, shanopaka tiasahaya ayana atoha, po sataria shotoruku ampuka yayama aliahani nianana kotoriwa saha. Solidify this understanding, these multidimensional concepts. Let them alight within you. Let the light codes activate who you truly are. Amotoriaka taniasa talahana ataria kosoto kopora atapa. Atanabasa liasotoro gramaya walaha sotoro shohamaya rahasho amohataki atepaliasa natata koapo hashana satariasa naturua bashua asonotuaka. You already contain the bridge. You are the bridge. Asitia natariasa sotorua katiasha toriasha ko torua hamala ataya. Asihaya mataya katale shanodoro akapoya talaha nisa talakatiasa. Nothing is impossible. Asotorio hama atiha ashuha. And this is for you, Will. Where there's a will, there's a way. Love you, my dear friend. Imatoriaka ayama halasi. Sayamala I kakeya tatea santaria shonono akataya. You are teaching me to walk my own bridge. Di sataria kantia shotorua hama atisa. Sanita rakea ashonotua kakashona tapahala. Mayua ema ataka. Alura iyama sayahaikia. Shoyaba yuwahala anyi. Ama ala atia si aila ia I ayata ia totoro kwa sapoya shanati alaha ayo hayamoso yoashahi asitiriaka. Our friend of earth asiayo hayamoko kataya sahi. We thank you for your light and your love and your work. Mika ataria shanahiwa apoha katia sanatoro akaso oshoyakahi Isaya asui ayuma I iata apala hasakahi aposho hakamayoa lahura. Mi ayuatayasa natia katariashana. Osatariasa tariasa. Ayaha. You teach the world to be itself in harmony with itself. Nayoala hasatayantara. Wakiyashanatiara. Thank you, Will. Ayotoriakahisa. Sima atiasa tariasa tahi. Bingyashataria. I'll be seeing you later. Ama atisa taria. A new moon, solar eclipse. Alu antiasa atapa. Katiasa mahurahashia. Asitelia, a very powerful energy indeed. Ayokua kapatariasa. Mili inka tariawa ala antapakaitu apakiyashana. Mariala akima warahashaka. Sono apaliasa kotoro. Mi ayamoku asayahasha. Niatariasa. We are the one light. Activate the light within you by following your joy and being in harmony with all that you are and all that you came to be. Mitaya. We are love. You are love. Ayopagyasa. We are made of the same energy. Tatirasa koteriahanaki. Pasiya taki.